basically, I mean, for some campaign on Uninor, what we did was there was this word association game that we played with the client. We handed them chits. Each chit had a word, and that was our film basically. So the whole thing about बातों से बात बनती है and कि बात करोगे तो बातें आगे बढ़ेंगी and all that. So it was almost like a word association games. Like you say something like I, then I continue with I'm going to. The third one says to the toilet. So somewhat like that. And so the client, obviously, they were like quite thrilled and all. The second time around, what we did was, there was this character that we had come up with for some certain campaign, and it was a Bhopali character. So what we did was, we got our account director on the brand to dress up, and we dressed him up like a Bhopali guy with all the topi and the jacket and the pan. He was even chewing pan and everything, and he was sitting right in the client's office. That was quite awesome. So, and he narrated we narrated the scripts and he enacted them, and that was quite awesome. So basically, maybe not as crazy, but fun stuff.
We're executing a campaign for a particular client where we had to give out trading cards as gifts with each pack. So he needed samples immediately, and we called for them from Bombay, which weren't coming. So he sent one of my colleagues. He sent me an email in the high res, and somebody went and bought photo papers. We printed out in huge photo sheets, and the whole office was sitting and cutting and pasting and making trading cards for the clients. The deal is done. So it's a crazy idea that worked.
When basically the client sells you his idea, you show them like a really shitty creative, and they say, this is your idea. And they say, no, this is not what we wanted. And then you send them the good stuff, and they say, yeah, this is what we wanted. So that way you sell the idea more quickly, and it gets the job done without getting any headaches and stuff. So yeah, that's.
I think for planning people, before we go and sell our idea to the client, it's more importantly to sell your creative brief to the creatives. So we think of very innovative ways to brief the creatives, because they always are very wary of the servicing and the planning guys. So we keep thinking of innovative ways to engage with them. So we had just actually did a brainstorming recently to think of some ideas, and it was to do, you could just make a change of place where you brief them instead of briefing them in the boring conference rooms in the office. Let's say if you're working on a media publication pitch, so the best thing would be to actually go out early in the morning and see how the newspaper vendors actually sell their newspapers, or go to a printing magazine or newspaper printing press to actually feel the whole sense of the process and everything. And you could also engineer a situation for the creatives to feel the absence or the presence of a product. So for example, if let's say if we had to come out with an SUV, the best way would be to tell the creatives, okay, we have to go to a client's office for a brief, and actually cramp them inside a small car and tell them, okay, this is the brief, we have to come out with an SUV.